Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am doing another tutorial, but this is not on Skin Seed. This is on drawing cartoons 2. Yeah, my last tutorial was on Skin Seed. So I have this hat here. I barely ever use it. I'm going to going to give me a nice little face over here. I'm gonna have a blue alien. Yup, blue alien. Wearing a hat. Let's see. Oops, I wasn't supposed to show you that yet. I know this isn't perfect. Then I want to give him some dark blue eyes. Look, if I draw this, it makes it a little more straight looking, I think. It does something to it. Like, you see how it changes my stuff? Okay, look at it. Makes it either just making it smaller or changing it, make it more even looking. Okay, good. Then I want to make something see-through. So here we have at the top, we have width. So yeah. Then we have that. So you're like, oh, I'm not such a good artist to make someone look like they're wearing glasses and I can still see their eyes a little. Use this. And let me do pink, I guess. Some people probably like pink while watching this. Look, I can also color over it to make it like, there's probably a few markers or whatever like that. Color over them. And then I want a green. Green, good old mask. Yeah, I wanted to show you that. Whoa, yummy! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a nice day, and have an awesome day. Have an awesome rest of your day, and hope you do good in whatever you're doing or trying to do or stuff. Have a nice day. Bye. Yay! Joy, happy, be